guess where we're at? We're at Ikea. We haven't been here in a hot minute, so we're gonna walk around and just see everything new that they have. A little Ikea shop with me situation. And then I want to see if there's a few, like, anything to organize my kitchen with. So we're really just gonna walk around.
Yeah, it's a field trip.
Do you have anything?
I'm gonna pretend
That you're
that I'm
shopping?
moving.
That'd be fun. Okay, fun.
But I'm not, so.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't think that this desk is that ugly.
It looks miniature.
Well, yeah, but like I like the color.
No, I do like the color. It looks like the color we painted the office.
Yeah, exactly. And it has like gold, like, is that a fake drawer? Huh. Cute. All right, let's see what else. Do you know what would be really, do you want to be so cute if you painted that middle part a matte black?
What middle part?
Like, okay, so you see how it's like that, and then there's like two more of those sections?
Yeah.
That would be so cute with the middle one black.
Yeah.
It would make it look so much more expensive,
Yeah.
I think. That's so good. Okay, so this is new. I have it in side table and coffee table. Gold bag. Gold bag. That's so cute. That would be like perfect for this event. To me, that looks more expensive than anything.
I'm a dishwasher. Does the writing come with it?
Honestly, for a small space, though, is the right.
I was obviously kidding, but that just didn't land. You didn't get that.
I do like this table down here. This one reminds me of West Elm. Like West Elm almost has a table that looks exactly like this. Yeah, and I like that one too.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like,
obviously I'm sure this is like plastic. Yeah, totally plastic, but like it's nice. It's nice
if
looking.
it was black, it'd be cool.
Yeah. What do you think about these chairs? Yeah, I like them too. They're cool. I've never seen them.
There was like something on this.
Yeah. I've never seen those. This white table down here also reminds me of a West Elm one.
Yeah.
I think like this is the type of section I wanted. It doesn't look that bad actually.
No, it does look similar.
I think West Elm's is more glossy, but the lines of it are similar. Obviously West Elm's is like 800, so hopefully it's better quality. But do you know what terrifies me about shopping at Ikea? Like, what do we do if there's a fire? I actually don't know.
I don't know how to get out of here.
No, I have no idea where we are.
I am.
Yeah, oh Sarah, this is where we need to start focusing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is our moment. I just don't want anything, like I don't want to just buy it to buy it.
Yeah.
No, like like these are probably, yeah, $2.99. Actually, the white ones might be good.
Yeah.
I could do the white one. Okay, I took measurements of everything, so I'm trying to find, I'll show you. This is so embarrassing how dirty this is.
What?
My knife drawer. Like literally, this is so bad.
So unlike you.
I know, it's so unlike me. It's just because I've never gotten anything for it. So like this would be nice. To put the knives in.
Is that what that's for?
I think so, yeah, knife tray. And I wonder, it's 6 by 20, which is just 20. So if we did like this.
Attention IKEA coworkers. This is
With
a friend to wash your hands regularly and as often as possible. It's one of the easiest ways to stay focused. So make sure that you're washing your hands.
Would that fit?
No, this seems like wood.
Thanks for brother.
Good thing I brought a ruler.
You did?
Yeah. Oh wait, this must be.
No, it says on here.
16.
This is 11 by 20.
Okay, so shoot, this is 17. Because what is that? Yeah, 6 by 20. Okay, well then.
Or wouldn't they make one like this that had like a knife?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay, well. I guess what is this? 6 inch? Like this one would probably. Well, no. I think I need the longer ones because look at the next one. See, I need them to fit. It's almost like I need this, but it's not like organized enough. Like
Yeah,
it's
like
not
there needs to be
enough.
another section.
Yeah. Dang. Are those the same thing? Oh, yeah. Do these not? Like, how does that make sense that these wouldn't measure up? Okay.
It's not gonna.
You don't think it's gonna fit?
No, because the numbers. Why would it be smaller?
I don't know.
It's like half an inch.
Honestly, I think it would be perfect.
Was it not exact that your measurement?
No, I gave myself a little room. Well, now I need to see. Let me pull it up again. Shoot.
What do you mean you gave yourself a little room? Like you rounded up?
I rounded
Like
down. Okay, so we just think it's not happening.
Well, if you were, was it exact? It's like half an inch.
I guess that's a pretty big difference.
Yeah. And you can't really like squeeze it, you know?
Okay, let's keep walking around and see if we find anything.
Okay.
It's actually kind of cute. You organized your pantry with these?
Oh, those are nice.
Yeah, those are nice. Oh, that's cute.
What? Oh, that is nice. Gosh, things are so cheap here.
Things are so cheap. The glass. Oh, I really like that for $3.99. Oh, it's pretty smooth too.
Ooh.
Wow, and that office chair's pretty nice also. It's not ugly, but pricey,
Expensive.
I feel like. Do you know what would be cute? Is that mirror? If you like, I feel like
Oh, this mirror?
yeah. I
Yeah.
feel like everyone has that mirror.
The infinity mirrors.
It's such a great price for $129. Wait, I'm talking. Yeah, okay. For $129, and you could gold rub them both or whatever you want to do. If
Yeah.
you want to leave it silver or this, like it would be so cute.
No, I really like that.
It's a great
That's the
set.
kind of mirror I need
You need
in my
that
life.
mirror. Yeah. Need.
Need. It's not a want, it's a need.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
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 The kitchen area is one of my favorite parts of Ikea.
There's so much.
I know I shouldn't be touching things, but ooh, wait, I actually need this.
That's cute.
Yeah, wait, where is that? Ooh, I need this. Is it microwavable? We'll risk it. Yeah, wow, Target has one that's like almost identical to that, but I'm sure more expensive. Sarah, basically your always pan.
It's just like it.
It's perfect.
The off-brand always.
The off-brand one. Oh, here. $2.99.
Is it sturdy?
That's what I'm concerned about.
Does it like try to?
Well, here, you do it.
Here.
Okay. I feel like it's only $2.99, so I might get two of them, one for the back and then one for the...
It honestly feels pretty good.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be so annoying to put in and out of. Probably so annoying. I feel like one could probably... Those look
Can you-
better, though. Why do
Can you
those
take these out? No, it's definitely over there.
look- Okay, yeah, because those look
Yeah,
small.
those are almost like too close together where it's
Yeah,
like, can you
these are
fit
just
anything
like-
in there?
Oh my gosh, you're just taking it off. Like, it's not sure. This is what we need. I like this.
Yeah. The battery's almost dying.
Okay, Okay, let's keep looking. They have to have it. Twice rack organizer too. I don't think I need actual, but I wonder if this is your Hannah. Like those
look nice.
those look nice. Where are those? I don't see them. Anything we want is apparently
It's gone.
doesn't exist. Yeah, like literally it doesn't exist.
Oh my gosh, that's so
Wait,
cute.
that's so cute. Obviously it can go on the stove, right?
Yeah,
That is so cute.
I hope.
Wow. I really like that. Oh, I did want to organize my tea drawer too, but. Cute.
I do see those like everywhere. The like clear. 69 cents. Or $3. Looks just like yours.
Yeah, it does. So, oh wait, these are cute. Wait, this is actually pretty cute.
I love that.
Yeah. Wait, I thought they'd be steel. They're like
Wait, so cute.
so cute. Wait, I really like that. I like their addition of this new color.
I know.
Literally, these bins. Okay, so I did
Oh,
pantry organization and bought these from Container Store. Identical. Can't get them out, but you get the idea.
yeah.
But they're only $1 more, so it's not like.
At Container Store?
Yeah. I don't know how that's legal for all these places to have the
Exact same thing.
Yeah.
We're being scammed.
This is cute. That's actually cute.
That is cute.
Huh. Oh, I really like that. Where is that? Over here.
That is cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
$20.
Oh.
Cute. No, hello?
Wait, I was not thinking that. I was thinking more like hello.
Yeah, it's giant. Ikea haul.
Ikea! 2 things.
1, 2.
It was fun though.
Ikea's always a good time.
Ikea's always a good time.
Good field trip.
Yeah.
Bye, Ikea.
Bye, Ikea.